Hello everybody and welcome back. I am here to share with you my new kit. I'm very excited about this kit and I know that it's early. Normally I release a new kit each month, but I'm doing this one a little bit earlier only because obviously next month being December, we've obviously got Christmas and I know people love to spend time with their families. I want to spend time with mine. So I thought if the kit comes out early, we can get started with the challenges a little bit earlier and then we'll all be kind of finished and ready to enjoy the Christmas period. So this is called Winter Blues. So my last kit for November was very Christmassy, so very sort of vintage Santa, that kind of a thing. This one is more kind of winter themed rather than Christmas, although there are Christmas elements. The robin sometimes has a little Christmas hat on, that kind of a thing. But generally speaking, this is more wintry than Christmas. So it's called Winter Blues because, as you can see from the promo sheet, there's lots of lovely blues on this. I've actually really enjoyed the design of this as well. You have got baubles, so like I said, there are hints of Christmas, but it's just more wintry. So lots of writing space for those of you that love to journal. Some of the pages are more decorated than others, so you do still have a thin journaling space down the side of this page. But I really love the blue flowers, really love the pop of the red berries as well. Yeah, I enjoyed this and I think the colours are just very, very pretty on this kit. So very excited to use this myself. I do love the robins as well. Really, really lovely. Oh, can't turn the pages. My hands are so cold. It's absolutely freezing here. We've had snow recently. So I am absolutely freezing here today. Really love this. So we've got kind of a ledger paper, a blank ledger paper in the background, the robin in front of the window, and again these gorgeous blue flowers. And then we just have some more kind of background pages. These are great for kind of covers or if you want to make envelopes and things like that. So we've got lovely red stripes that kind of have a snowy effect on them and our robins. Then we've got different music sheets and postcards and things, all Christmassy things. And then obviously you've got that lovely red over the top. So this is a bit more muted, nice for a background page. It's still light enough in the centre that you could journal in the middle of that. Again, we've got another background page. So this could also be great for a cover or envelope making, that kind of a thing. And then we get on to our ephemera pages. So we have a range of different tags, again linked to all of the kind of images that we've already seen in the main kit. We then have different pockets. Now I've only done one size of pockets this time because I've only got one size of the tags. Sometimes I do larger tags, so I would then have a larger pocket, but I haven't done that for this particular kit. We've then got a few different colour pots. We've got some different tabs up there. We've got a journaling card, we've got a mini envelope, and then we've got a kind of ticket stub ended tag there. And then we've got a few different words down there that you can cut out. And on this one, we've got this beautiful bird in a frame. I thought that would be lovely on a front cover. We've got a little robin that you can cut out, a journaling card, a mini tag, and then a file folder. Then this one, these can be side page pockets or tuck spots, or you can use them as a belly band. So we've got one on each side, and then we've got some journaling cards as well that could be tucked into those. And finally, we have an envelope that has two large stamps down at the bottom. But again, it's got those gorgeous blues and lovely reds on as well. So that is the Winter Blues kit. So it was 16 pages. Like I said, lots and lots of journaling space, lots of great ephemera. There will be challenges as well, like I said, linked to this. We will be starting them early, so it will be starting this Sunday. So that will be the 24th of November. That will be the first challenge. And then that just means, as I say, that we can be finished before Christmas so we can enjoy the holidays. As usual though, with the challenges there will be freebies that are linked to this kit. There will also be prizes at the end of the month. So just after Christmas I will do a winners drawing for those that have taken part in this challenge, and I'll be doing an extra special gift as well for those that participate. So there'll be the usual giveaway but an extra gift as part of that giveaway as well. So to find out more details about that, make sure that you tune in on Sunday, and then I'll show you the first set of freebies, inform you of the first challenge, and then I'll let you know a little bit more about the prizes at the end of Christmas. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're excited about this kit. As I say, it is now available in my Etsy shop. The link will be down below. There is, of course, as always, a discount for the month that it's released. Now, I know obviously I'm releasing it early, so it will run from a month from today. So make sure that you go and take advantage of that and grab it while you can at that discounted rate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.